Here's a quick video. This van is leaving right now. 2010 Ford Econoline Handicap wheelchair van. As you can see the condition it's leaving. It's ready to go. It's got gas. It's running right now. Show you how everything works inside real quick. It is running right now. Got gas. 48,739 miles. It's ready to go for you. Everything's here. Navigation. There's your remote controls for the TV and everything. These are your switches for your lights in the back. All of your lights that are in the back there. That extra seat pops out if you need to pop it out. I'll show you how to do that as well. Your registration is right here for the tag, and the owner's manuals are right here as well. There are your tie downs for your wheelchair. This is the original window sticker for the van. It's right in here as well. You want to operate the wheelchair lift, just open up your doors and you are ready to go. Use the remote control pendant, which is right here. Use this and you just click deploy and you're ready to go. Really simple, easy setup. As you can see, everything is working and operating the way it's supposed to. Pretty easy to use. Click up to go up. You also have a switch right here on the lift that you could use if you're on there with the wheelchair by yourself. And then click stow to put it away. And you're all set and ready to go. The remote is right there. As you can see, everything here. Your tag is already on the vehicle. Jack and supplies are there. Spare tires underneath the truck. Got your seat belts there. You can see everything's good to go. This is for your bed. Up and down for the bed. Goes all the way down and up. So you're ready to go. Thank you.